Let's talk about business credit then. All right, so business credit. Getting the tier 1s, the tier 2s, that stuff's easy. All right, you can build it that way. That way it's going to take a little bit longer. But here's the thing. They really don't tell you that those cards, right, those Grainger and all those store cards and all that, those aren't attached to your EIN. So the bank only cares about what's attached to your EIN. Okay, so that's why I say the better way to do it is to build up your personal credit, then personal guarantee or PG or be a personal guarantor, right? That's going to be the best way, you guys, because the business credit cards are easier to get if you do it that way. It's a lot faster, you know what I'm saying? But people are scared to personal guarantee for some reason. I'm like, why you want to build up your personal credit then, right? Like, why you want to build your personal credit if you're not going to use it to leverage your business? Okay, that really don't make sense, right? So that's it. So being a PG, that's the easiest way. But like the tier 1s, tier 2s, I can give you the list and all that. So to hell with the net 30s. That's the thing. So that's going to build up, your Experian Business, your Equifax, your Dun & Bradstreet. And that stuff can be used for like equipment and, cars and even some business credit cards and stuff like that. So you do want to build that up too. But I'm saying the easiest way is just to use your personal credit, right? So let's just say let's say worst case scenario, right? Even if you're fixing your credit yourself, let's say worst case scenario, it takes a year. You go from a 500 to a 690 in a year. That just opens you up for so much more stuff, right? Now you can get stuff in your personal name. Now you can PG. Now you can build that business credit a lot easier, right? So that's why I said people overcomplicate it. It's not that damn hard. It's not that damn hard. The hardest part is fixing your personal credit. That's the hardest part. So that's what make me mad when they be like, they'll do a list, right? They say, fix your personal credit, get your LLC, get your EIN, blah, blah, blah. It's like, bro, the personal credit is the hardest part. Like, they just skipping that part. They should say, fix personal credit can take 3 months to 2 years. That's what they skip. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we focus more on the personal credit, because I think that's the most difficult part. That's the biggest barrier people have. Once you fix your personal credit, you can go PG for those business credit cards and all that good stuff. Now, there is a third option. Okay, there is a third option. You can get a real business trade line. So how you can get added to an authorized user on your personal side, you can get a business trade line, right? So it's like a term loan. The term loan is going to be reported, attached to your EIN, and it's going to backdate. Okay, so let's just say your business is a year and a half, right? You get a $50,000 term loan or a $100,000 term loan that's going to report onto your business EIN, right? Then it backdates. So now it looks like you got an age loan attached to your EIN. So that's a whole nother option. And I'm working with a guy right now. I went through them. I got like 2 or 3 of them bad boys, right? I got one for 50, then I got one for 150. So that's a whole nother option. That one's a little bit more expensive. Okay, it's a little bit more expensive. What about Grainger Uline with Dunn's number? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you can do that too. You can get the net 30s, build your Paydex up, your Experian, your Equifax. You can build all that stuff up too, right? But I'm saying the fastest way is the personal guarantee. So fix your personal credit, and then you can kind of skip all those.